morning. How can I help?
Hello, I rang up at 2 o'clock this morning. Yeah.
Hello. Yes.
Yeah, and when I did that, about 20 minutes later, I looked out my window in the north in the bedroom, and there was a supernatural light. Right? And then there was like a apparition to the down in the corner where the houses are, where it was dark. When I looked out, there was nothing there, but on my camera it's showing up. You need to look at my YouTube channel, Jehovah Hashe, Hacche. I'm the prophet Elijah of Malachi 4 verse 5 that says, I will send my prophet Elijah before the great and fear-inspiring day of Jehovah. Right? Now, at the Kingdom Hall in 2010, I was sitting at the back and I wanted to speak to one of the elders, and a brother got Alan Dunlop, and then he said, I've got to get somebody with me. He said he got Paul Tucker, went in the back room, and basically what happened was, you know how you can hear the hum after the meeting of the brothers and sisters talking, like the noise. Well, basically that suddenly stopped, and I said to John, I said, hang on, John, what's going on? Why the brothers and sisters suddenly stopped talking? I went straight out the door of the back room, and guess what? The brothers and sisters had gone, disappeared. The elders did not know what to say. In fact, when I was a teenager, I actually heard of a story, I don't know whether you did, about in Africa, how the soldiers came into the Kingdom Hall and Jehovah was protecting them, and the soldiers didn't see anything. I don't know whether that's in the magazines, I'm not sure.
But no, I'm not sure,
But yes.
Yeah, but anyway, I'm not sure how we can help you today. But
I can help you, because I'm sending out a 144-page letter that destroys 607 and every part of your religion, because I'm an ex-Jehovah's Witness. Right? They going out to every branch. You're going down on the 3rd of August 2025. So work it out. Why won't you listen? Spouting off before hearing the facts is both shameful and foolish.
And you're entitled to not be one of Jehovah's Witnesses. That's okay.
No, that's not the point. I'm Elijah, Jehovah's true prophet. Okay. The cleansing of the temple, Malachi chapter 3.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you very much for the call.
You're going down. You're scared. You're running scared.
No problem. Thank you.
Bye.